Today I'm gonna try and make myself sneeze. And I have a bunch of ways online that says it's possible.
Round one, fight!
Gently wiggle a tissue in the back of your nose to bring on a sneeze. If I sneeze, then it's a point for me. If I don't sneeze, it's a point for you. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. Just like, go for it. Oh. Oh man. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh man. Ah, this is the worst. Don't look at me. I feel like that's close though. Like my eyes are watering. Let me try my other nostril. Maybe my right one's just too much. This could work. Yes! First one! Wow! Isn't that the stuff? Do you want this? Yeah, that works. Look at my left eye. Do you see that? It's watering like a merry-go-round.
Round two, fight!
Look toward a bright light. So my eyes are still watering after that one, but we're gonna go into a nice dark room and we are going to try and make myself sneeze. Join me in the dark.
2 hours later.
So I'm still in the dark, just waiting for my eyes to get adjusted to it. I'm gonna try it. I don't think it's working. It's bright though. Yeah, that's not gonna make me sneeze, so we're gonna just move on to the next one.
Round three, fight!
Sniff a spice. Oh man. I got pepper here. And it says be careful not to do too much. So I'm just gonna do a little bit and see if I sneeze. Do not do this. It's peppery. This might work. Here we go. Am I pretty? Whew. It's gonna be another one too. Get away from me, you foul beast. Oh, peppery. You don't want to see that, do you? You want to see it? No, you don't.
Round four, fight!
Tweeze your brows. I don't have tweezers. I wonder if I can just use my fingers. Alright, I think I got one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nothing. But I did get one. You see this? Look at that. That's a real brow.
Round five, final round, fight!
Alright, it's a new dawn, new outfit. So the last one I'm gonna try is I'm going to go outside and take a deep breath of cold air. And if I sneeze, I win. If you sneeze, I win. No, that's not how it works. If I sneeze, I win. If you don't, if I sneeze, I win. If I don't sneeze, you win. It all comes down to this. So I'm just about to step outside into the cold. If I sneeze, I win. If I don't sneeze, you win. Here we go. Let's do this. Oh! Nothing. So you did in fact beat me, but I think you still deserve one more sneeze. So we'll go back to good old faithful. It's not working. Maybe I gotta double up. Oh. Don't look at me. I'm hideous. Well, hey, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications.